How to get booking.com documents, confirmation, invoices, and payment proof. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your Play Store. Now tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Now simply tap on the search bar. Now type booking.com. Now click on search when you are done. Now tap on booking.com. Now if any update is available, simply tap on update button. Now while the update is being downloaded, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. After installing the update, simply tap on open, go back to the home screen. Now open up the application. Now at the bottom part of your screen, simply tap on the bookings tab. Now find your booking, tap on the confirmation. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom. Now here you can find an option for save for offline use. Now click on save as PDF. Now wait for some time. Now tap on three dots. Now click on save as PDF. Now tap on save. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.